Thank you, my man. Thank you. It's a big journey. Big journey. Yeah. And it's not the end. It's maybe the beginning of something big, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, when we move to South Africa, you'll be sorry.
Yeah, okay.
And you have to come take pictures.
Okay.
Like, Jason, look what I brought.
I won't say no.
Oh, and he have a car for you.
Good lad.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Meant a lot. I never got to do this with my dad. So
He's your dad. Your new dad.
you did that for me.
Well, I'm happy to be a part of it.
So I'm grateful.
And it is, you're just like my son, doing it with my son is perfect.
That's how I felt as well. And if I could have done it sooner, I would have. But I'm a richer man for this journey. And I wouldn't trade a day of it for anything.
Well, you put in the time and the work and the effort and the inspiration for me to get it done. Because there's no way without you it would ever gotten done.
But that's what you inspire in people. And I don't think you realize how much you inspire those around you. And this is a testament of who you are and what you've achieved and what you represent. And maybe I can honestly say that I think that if I never had this opportunity, I would have somehow missed it my entire life.
Well, that's kind of you to say.
Would have missed it. And the vehicle was just the opportunity for us to go on this journey together, to climb this incredible mountain. And there was many others involved along the way, your beautiful wife, Santiago, everybody, Kelly, everybody that was involved going through the process with us, and I'm grateful to all of them, and I feel incredibly blessed to have been able to do this. I've built many one-of-one vehicles throughout my career, but I think this is the one that I'll measure everything against. Not because of the car, but because of the person.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much.
And I'm not crying because I'm emotional, it's because I'm not going to have any donuts on Friday.
The truth will out.
We don't have those good donuts back home. It's the saddest thing. I don't know how I'm going to cope. But thank you, Doc. I mean, it's been absolutely great.
Well, for me, it's been wonderful. I've told Alan and Lee, I've never known anybody who had so much depth of knowledge in so many different areas of car building. You're the car whisperer.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're the car whisperer. I think you could probably build anything.
Thank you.
Yeah, and you've proved it.
Thank you very much. Can't bake donuts, but I can build cars.
You can build cars,
You
right?
get video of
But I'm glad, and my wish for you is that you go from strength to strength and enjoy every single mile and just smile and just enjoy it. That's why I hope that there wasn't a day that I was unpleasant to be around or to work with, or that at any point you walked away feeling less than. I hope that every day was a good day.
Was there ever a day you didn't see me smile? No. No. No, it was all fun. Yeah, it was all fun. All good.
Absolutely,
Right.
absolutely. So, where to from here?
I don't know. I have to see what life brings.
Must get that interior in and enjoy her. Enjoy her.
Yeah.
When you planning your first trip?
We've probably in the spring.
Okay.
There are always a couple of parades and things in the spring. The fire people are over the moon about this kind of stuff.
Right, right.
And I've talked to a number of guys along the way who are EMTs. The EMT guys just can't wait to see this.
Oh yeah, right, right.
Yeah, they just can't wait to see it.
Your son is still practicing.
He
right?
is, yeah.
So you're right in the heart of things still.
Yeah, well, he'll be blown away when he sees it.
Have they
No
seen
doubt.
pictures? Have they seen anything?
Haven't seen any. They've seen the original black and white picture,
Really?
and they've seen the frame sitting in the driveway for 25 years.
That's going to be a disappointment. That's going to be a disappointment. I think if you didn't take pictures, no one would believe it's the same vehicle.
No, of course not.
I think that if you didn't document it as well as what you did, it's hard to get your mind around. It's pretty surreal.
Yeah.
It's pretty surreal.
Yeah, well, I had a couple of different people look and say, that can't be done.
Is that so?
Yeah. Just looking at the engine, I mean, the engine was all apart. It was sort of had surface rust all over it. Needed bearings poured for it. Nobody knew how to pour bearings, and
Right.
they just said, no, we can't do that. I mean, engine building guys just wouldn't even think about it.
Right.
And the lad who did the paint work on the Mercedes that he looked at it and he just said, you gotta be kidding me.
Really?
Yeah, he said, this can't be done.
Wow.
Forget it.
Major accomplishment. Major accomplishment.
Well, once in a while in life you get lucky. You find the right guy. And you're the right guy. That's what it
Buy
does.
the wrong car first. He start looking for the right guy.
Yeah, you're the right guy. No doubt about it.
That's beautiful. You should have a home for Thanksgiving if you got anything planned. I mean, for the homecoming, and you got. It's a big deal, man.
Yeah, I haven't figured out a way to spring this on the family yet.
Okay.
My daughter's in Colorado, so she won't see it. We are having Thanksgiving dinner and Christmas dinner with my son, so
Right.
we'll have something.
And the
Something
soccer
stored.
team.
Yes, this original soccer team.
Libations with Lydia.
Right. Eleanor Lee's already got the party planned.
Right. That's good. I'm glad. So now it's back home, and then you're gonna start on the woodwork. Must be excited to get started on the woodwork as well.
If I can get some drawings.
You'll get the renderings, I promise. And the fuel gauge, we'll refurb for you and send back. So
That'd be great.
you can definitely. I don't want to see pictures every step of the way, man.
I'll send them to you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Well, you'll be back this way, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. No, you haven't seen the last of me.
Thank God.
But it's been absolutely fantastic, and I think that looking now, I think we achieved what we wanted to achieve. So just in the nick of time.
Are you ready to do another one?
I think I'll always be ready. I think that it's the journey that keeps me going. If I did it for the vehicles, I don't think I would do more. But it's that personal thing you take away that the physical or the tangible cannot fulfill. That's what it's all about at the end of the day. You very rarely remember the car, but you'll remember the feeling or the emotion at the time. you'll very rarely remember the holiday, but you'll remember if it was bad or not. And I mean, I think people inherently want to recreate good experience. And we want to recreate good feeling. And I think anybody that has the ability or is fortunate enough to do that for their livelihood is incredibly lucky, because they get to recreate that over and over again as you do. And that's what makes you successful in what you do. And I think that's what sets you apart from being okay to being something exceptional.
Well, I did love orthopedics.
It shows.
I did
and-
love
and
orthopedics.
the stature of who you are, you must understand that in my mind you're 10 feet tall because of the person and the personality that you have and the stature. It's the man that you are. It's the man that you are.
Well, if I were 10 feet tall, I'd have gotten the top on that a little easier.
It's high up there, man. I was up there cleaning today. It's not low. You're nearing the top rungs of that ladder. Yeah, it's pretty high up there. That's pretty high. But I think it came out fantastic, and I couldn't ask for a better result.
No, it's beautiful.
Couldn't have asked for a better result. I'm really, really happy. I'm glad that you're happy. And thank you to everybody at Sterling Off Roads as well. Tom and Kelly and Nick and everybody as well. I mean, it wouldn't be possible without any of them either. So
Right.
that's a big
And
deal.
kudos to Santiago.
Santiago, man. Let me tell you, it takes a man on a horse to go on par with me. We did 187 hours in 2 weeks, and he was right there next to me doing 15-hour days, and I take my hat off to that, because in all the years that I've been doing this all over the world, there hasn't been somebody that could finish a car with me. They'll go so far and then they would just burn out. And I mean, I hit a burnout stage as well, so the ambulance made me pretty sick.
That was the imbalance.
Imbalance, that's right. And but we came back fighting, and I could not have done it without the help of Santiago and everybody else, and your motivation as well. It just wasn't possible. Just wasn't possible.
And the drone.
And the drone, man. And
Wilma.
the drone.
Yeah, I'll send you pictures of the interior,
Yeah, you have to do that.
and then when you come back, you get to see it live.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Terry's very excited to pick up again and
Yeah.
be involved again. You got some new woodworking tools that you'd like to break in.
Absolutely, I do.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. That sounds fantastic. But Doc, thanks again for everything. It's the night before I leave, obviously, so I think we got it done just in the nick of time there. Timed it down
To the minute.
to the minute, right?
Right.
Right. So
Great.
I'm glad it's got very little to go now, and you should have a home before Thanksgiving.
Well, let's have a little congratulatory champagne.
Let's do that.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Man.
Thank you very much.
Okay.